In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text to your Canva document and personalize it with different font styles, creating an inviting and professional design. To get started, let's head over to your Canva document. You'll want to have your project open and ready for editing. Canva is widely appreciated for its user-friendly interface, making graphic design accessible to everyone, whether you're creating social media graphics, presentations, or any other visual content. Once you're on your Canva dashboard, locate your document in the Projects section or begin a new one if you haven't started yet. It's always a good idea to make sure everything is set up so that you can jump straight into the creative process. Now that you're set up, let's add some text to your document. On the left side of your Canva editor, you'll notice a menu bar with various options for adding elements to your design. Find the Text option, which is usually accompanied by a small T icon, and click on it. Canva provides a range of pre-designed text combinations, which can save you time and add a professional touch to your work. However, if you prefer a more bespoke approach, you can simply select Add a heading, Add a subheading, or add a little bit of body text, depending on your needs. Just click on one of these options and it will appear on your canvas, ready for you to customize. With your text selected on the canvas, it's time to personalize it by picking a font that matches the style and tone of your project. Look towards the top of the Canva editor, in the upper middle section, where you'll find the Font option. Clicking here will reveal a wide variety of font styles to choose from. You'll find everything from modern to classic, whimsical to stately, ensuring that whatever your theme, there's a font to enhance it. Take your time browsing through the selections. Consider the readability and visual impact of each font as it relates to your message. Once you've found the perfect font, click to apply it to your text. And that's it, you're done. With these simple steps, you've successfully inserted and customized text in your Canva document. Remember, the right font can convey your message as effectively as the content itself and plays a crucial role in making your design engaging and memorable. Experiment with different fonts and color combinations to make your text stand out. As you get more comfortable with these tools, you'll find your own unique style that you can apply across all your projects. Keep exploring and happy designing.